Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and also welcome back to a brand new vlog. I recently stayed at this amazing little gem in Negril, West End to be exact, and I absolutely loved it. It was so amazing, so much so that I have highlights from the trip and I wanted to share it with you guys. If you are ever in the area, you definitely need to check out Catch a Falling Star. It was so good. The suite that we stayed in is called Leo. It has 2 rooms, 1 bathroom, and a kitchenette. Some of the amenities of the property include free parking, a pool, snorkeling, and Wi Fi. So there are 2 things that I particularly liked about this hotel. One being the customer service. It's been a while since I've received customer service like that. Everyone is so friendly, hospitable, and just eager to help. And then secondly, the food. Oh, let's not get into the food. The food was so good. Everything was so good, from breakfast to lunch to dinner to the drinks. Everything was good.
Oh my god! Okay.
Yeah, so pro tip. The water is very enchanting. It looks lovely, and chances are you'd want to take a picture nearby. However, as you can see, the water is very rough. So if you are taking photos by the cliff, just be very careful because the waves are really rough.
And now back to your regularly scheduled program.
So we had a good time at Catch a Falling Star, and so now we're in Negril and we stopped at Chill Pops. I've been wanting to go here for so long. I'm finally here.
These little things are so darn refreshing. So they have 3 types. They have the fruit-based ones, the ice cream ones, and the alcohol-infused ones. I had the whiskey sour and the Oreo cookies and cream, I believe it's called. It's so good. So you definitely need to check out Chill Pops. It's in Negril, and it's cute for taking pictures too. Okay guys, you reached the end of the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video if you really enjoyed it, and subscribe if you haven't already. Until next time, bye guys.